cray.
Okay, so I left my cell phone in a taxi the other day. It was just a regular taxi because we were in a hurry and Uber wasn't responding. I always say use Uber, and I stick by it, but I didn't heed my own.
He did not heed himself.
So I was able to log into Google and put a message in there that, hey, if the phone is found, call this number, which is my girlfriend's daughter. And I tracked it for a while, for like 30 or 40 minutes on Google. I thought maybe he would come back again. I had no way of contacting him because he was a normal taxi. And then the security at my apartment complex said they wouldn't get access to the video until Monday. This was Saturday, or I don't know. Basically, I was helpless. So 2 days later, some old lady called my girlfriend's daughter and said that they found the phone in a taxi. And they went and they returned it. I was out of town. I was up visiting him in Rio Negro. And my girlfriend and her daughter were actually out at her brother's farm. But they came back to town and they met up with them. They got my phone back. Everything was great. It was going to be a big hassle. And I gave them 100,000 pesos, which is what, like 20 bucks?
100? Yeah, I usually think of it as 25, but it's probably closer to 20 now because of deflation.
It's great. So Mike just came down for the night to do some stuff in Medellín. He's staying at a hotel right next to my apartment. And my girlfriend's daughter gave me the information. Grab it. Pause.
Oh, wait. Okay, gotta find this lady's place. She said it was locale number 169, but she didn't tell us the name. And the numbers in the food court are not exactly posted on the restaurants. We gotta do some deduction here. So this is 167. I wonder if this is 160. All right, we found it. It was this place right over here. These are the super honest food finders. This lady and her mom. It's this lady and her mom. I did. Well, no, I didn't ask them about that, but she said mommy, and I made the appropriate deductions.
Okay. Hola, soy John. Yo soy Marita. Muchísimas gracias.
No lo encontramos.
Hola, Jose Mike.
Mike, me llamo John. Estaba grabando por el canal de...
Ah, sí.
Okay, so right here I just need to back up for a little context because John has a favorite cheesy bread. And a lot of people have this favorite cheesy bread around Medellin. This is called panchocha, and it is really good. It's really special. They're not even open every day. They don't have to be. You need to be there for them. They don't need to be there for you. It is worth it. People stand in line. They wait their turn. It's really good. And so John wanted to get these ladies some of this stuff, and that turned out to be an adventure all by itself.
Okay, so we had a little problem going up the hill there. ¿Cómo se llama donde estábamos?
San Cristobal.
San Cristobal, on our way to Panchocha. We were going up a really steep hill. You could see I was between a bus and some traffic on the other side, and I felt something slip on the clutch. You would think after as many years as I have riding that I would know how to turn wrenches and maybe fix that. But basically, a dude pulled up next to me on a Harley, a Colombian guy on a Harley, and pulled out some tools from my bike and tightened this thingamajigger onto that doohickey, and now it works. So I don't know. I could pretend like I know what I'm doing and say, well, what he did is he tensioned the left-handed rotator swivel mount onto the flex capacitor, and now everything works great. So, alrighty, all is well. We're gonna go eat some good cheesy bread. All right, so we finally made it to Panchocha. Yay! Let's go eat some heckin' cheesy bread. So here we are at Panchocha. The police are hanging out. We're gonna come in here and get some yummy cheesy bread. ¿Qué son esos? ¿Son queso con qué? Quiero. This is the famous panchocha. I'm gonna try to get 4 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to carry them all, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat that tres leches fresa. We're gonna try the macadamia, the tres leches right there, and then I'm gonna get this tres leches with fresa, and then maybe one of these things here.
This is the whole family hard at work here. We're working at their family restaurant.
Él iba a venir país con uno gringo, entonces tenían que ir una enviármelo, pero como $200 por FedEx o algo.
No, nosotros lo que nos encontramos, sacamos de...
¿Saben el taxi?
Sí,
Estaba sonando.
sí,
Horrible.
sonó.
I have my ringer is Eric Cartman singing Poker Face by Lady Gaga.
Oh. Explícalo de tu restaurante y que ustedes hacen aquí.
Pues nosotros, o sea, somos de restaurante de marisco.
Ajá.
Todos los días estamos acá, de 8 a 5, de domingo a domingo. Vendemos res, cerdo, pollo, lo que es carne y todo lo que es de pescado, hacerle
Yo
marisco.
estoy escuchando acento costeño.
Ay, sí.
Y ya. ¿Y todo eso se puede decir que eso es comida costeña?
Sí,
Oh,
comida
excelente,
costeña.
excelente.
Exactamente. Somos de la costa pacífica.
Está bien,
Sí, somos del
excelente.
Pacífico.
Yo creo que John va a ver que si comemos acá, no sé.
When are you here?
You? Yeah? All right, let's do it. We got some menus. All right, let's sit down. All right, cool. Let's check this out. All right, John, what are you having? What are you having here at the Got You Your Phone Back restaurant?
What is robalo?
Robalo is
Sea bass.
yeah.
Es así filete, como trae espinas. Bueno, algunos dicen que es muy rico.
Which one did you get?
I got the rice with shrimp.
All right.
Bottom right.
Quiero este.
¿Quieres este?
Sí, por
So what did you ask for?
number, or this one. Róbalo a la plancha.
No, tengo
Yo quiero
Esos que se
un té,
Coca-Cola.
la morada, el té.
un vaso.
Sí, un té más la morada, la violeta.
¿Y usted?
Lo mismo. Lo mismo para mí.
All right, so as we're sitting here waiting for our food from the kind ladies who rescued my phone from the taxi the other day, we're sitting here by Frisbee, and I just wanted to say another interesting thing about Medellín. Frisbee is basically the KFC here, but they do have KFC as well. But if there was a Colombian equivalent of KFC, it would be Frisbee. They got some pretty good sandwiches. Frisbee, the KFC of Medellín.
These are the beans.
These are the beans. Sorry, girlfriend. First impression. Shrimp and rice, house salad, and what did I get? Pollock or God, fish and chips for my brother-in-law. A proper fish and chips.
Man,
Have you been to
this is delicious. I'm inhaling it. John is stuffing it down. She is still very entertained with her,
coconut rice? This
whoever
is the
she's
best.
talking to.
Está rico, super rico, gracias.
I don't know if they're hamming this up for us because we're special customers or something, but
That's a shit ton of food.
this shrimp and rice has more shrimp than rice.
They're usually kind of stingy on the shrimp.
Yeah. We ended up getting food to take home to the family.
Can I eat that shrimp, bro? It's calling me. You gonna murder me?
An adventure to go find a drone repair shop
Drone repair.
because our happy little drone fell 13 stories and it doesn't want to film no more.
No, it'll film.
It's demanding workers' comp and all kinds of
One
other
of the
stuff. He wants to
wings
join the drone union, and we do not participate in Skynet in any way, shape, or form. Are you a Skynet sympathizer, sir?
No, sir.
All right. So we got to go find a drone repair shop.
That's how you get a delivery in Colombia. A guy down here on the street, he threw the bag down, he just took it up. I wasn't recording.
This is the short version. The stairway to probably not heaven. Oh boy. No breaky break, not today.
All right, so we came to a repair shop in, where are we? Monterrey?
Yeah.
And I went to where I bought my drone. They didn't have a repair shop, so he took us to this other secret, well, it's not really secret. It looks like a normal store up front, but we're coming up this bat cave entrance to the drone repair shop. Jesus. Oh my God. Holy shit. I would die if I worked here. Que moriré si trabajé aquí. Gracias. The technique that works is if you put your ass on the rail, you can kind of like slide down it.
You can go wee.
And then hold on to the center.
So at this part in the footage, we should see this young guy cutting pieces out of the drone propeller and replacing them with paper clips with some tweezers and different stuff, and balancing the wheels and just being a total genius. It looks like he's destroying the drone, but he's not. But we didn't want to make him nervous, so we didn't film that part.
So here we are up in the Bat Cave. That's Monterrey Mall. I found a guy who's gonna try to fix my drone here. We're gonna leave it for a bit. It accidentally fell 13 stories from my balcony to the ground. Oops, and we need it for this weekend, but this is how we got up here. Fat white guys don't fit on staircases like that. All right, this guy just spent what, 45 minutes, 30 minutes? Yeah. How long was he working on it? Like 30, 45 minutes? 30, 45 minutes. We're back, baby. We're back.
Okay, needed an ending for this video, but we already used up all the goofy stuff, so we just get some footage from the drone itself, being its droney self, and follow mode working perfectly, and so fly in the friendly skies. Thanks for watching. And obviously a shout out to the awesome folks at Restaurant Azteca del Pacifico in the Palma Grande Mall, Locale 169, the Phone Giver Backers.
Cray.